Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia and this is a life crafted process video. I'm going to be using the Travelogue kit from Citrus Twist Kits, and that is the April kit of 2023. On one side, I'm going to be doing a 6x8 layout, and on the other one, a 3x8. And I'm going to be using some pictures that I took pretty recently. We went to a store called the Paper Herald on Baltimore, and it's a really pretty store. It's a stationery store. It's a small business. It's owned by a woman, and it was really cool to go there. My little one wanted to buy all the sketchbooks and journals and pens, and I can't blame her. I love pens too. I think everyone got something in the trip. My husband got some pens. My daughter, my oldest, got a book. And I got a book, a reading log, a book journal, and some fountain pens that were really cool. And I also got some stickers. I did love those. And yeah, and I'm just sorting through the die cuts to see which ones would work with the layout that I want to do. This helps me out a lot because that way I don't have to keep looking through all the die cuts. I just pick the ones that will work the best and I use those. I'm using my Tombow adhesive to glue all the papers and my super tiny Fiskars guillotine or trimmer, however you want to call it. I am loving this guillotine, especially for project life and smaller projects. It's so easy to use them, and instead of like having to put my giant guillotine on my table. This is a pretty big photo. Well, it's not that big. It's a little bit smaller than 4x6, but since the paper is 6x8, it kind of looks big. And I put those two photos together using the app. What's the name of that app? To edit it, I use a color story, but to put it together, I use the template app. I think they are both owned by A Beautiful Mess. And I wanted to use these flowers, and the reason I picked the paper is because there were flowers on the background. And now I'm trying to add things without it being too much, because since it's a small space, I didn't want to make it too busy. And also the background, it already has a pattern, so I didn't want to make it too much. And these are the phrase stickers for this month. On the website you can also find a few from 2022. They work with this kit and they are also really beautiful. I shared those in my unboxing, and I'm gonna add it to the cards so you can check it out. And I love circles as die cuts and also as stickers. And I wanted to cut some of the digital elements, but I ran out of ink. And I want to pull my hair out because I depend on my printer so much. But lately, I've been printing a lot of photos, backlog that I haven't printed in a while. So I did run out of ink, which is annoying, especially when you're like in the zone and you just keep printing and doing and stuff, and all of a sudden your printer is like, yeah, we don't have ink. And it's like, oh no. And I'm just adding a few more details just because I'm an over embellisher. I think that layout was just fine. On the right I have another photo that I took of my girls just looking at stuff, and my little one quickly claimed that sketchbook, which is pink, and she used it in the car and everything. She was very excited. And I'm just going to add a little cluster at the corner. I didn't want to cover anything important from the picture, so So I'm gonna do some washi in my little phrase sticker with some stapling, and these stickers, the puffy ones, are from the Travelogue 2022. So as you can see, you can combine them really well. And I love this page protector, the one where you can add 2 3x4s. I also love to use it in my December daily. So I'm going to use this card, which is one of the digital journaling cards, to add my journaling. And I love how simple that is, and I want to print 20 of those. I printed quite a few. That's why I ran out of, that's one of the reasons I ran out of ink. And I think I'm just gonna add this, and it's gonna be it. I'll use the Tombow the Mono Aqua Liquid Glue, that way in case I spill something it didn't dry tacky. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.